friends, welcome to VK Lectures. In this video, let us discuss the question number 55. Question number 55. If E equal to 3x cap plus 4y cap and B equal to 3z cap are the electric and magnetic field of the system in an inertial frame, then magnitude of the electric field in an inertial frame where the magnetic field is 0. The magnitude of electric field we have to calculate. So let's recall the electromagnetic field invariance in special relativity. So in special relativity, the electromagnetic field invariance invariants are the first one, I1 is equal to E square minus B square. Second one, I2 equal to E dot B. So these are two constants, both are constant in respective inertial frames. Now we have E and B given, so let's find out what is E square. E square will be equal to root of 3 square plus 4 square, that's equal to 25. Root 25 is 5, and B square, it's not root, it's square, so it's 25, and B square value 3z, so 3 square is 9. So this electromagnetic field will have always E square minus B square value is 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16. This has to be constant. Similarly, E dot B, we have E is equal to 3x cap plus 4y cap dot B is 3z cap. So this becomes, there is no z component for x, for the electric field, so it becomes 0. Now in the next inertial frame, the electric field, you have to calculate the E dash square is equal to unknown, where B dash is equal to 0. So we already know E square minus B square equal to 16. So E dash square, E dash means it's in the second frame, E dash square minus B dash square equal to 16. Now we already know B dash is 0, so E dash squared equal to 16, which means E is equal to 4.